In the world of luxury automobiles, few names stand as tall as Rolls-Royce. Known for blending unmatched elegance with powerful performance, the iconic British marque continues to redefine automotive excellence. But now, in an era where all-electric vehicles are becoming the norm, Rolls-Royce has taken the plunge into the electric realm with the Spectre Black Badge, the most powerful Rolls-Royce ever built. While this electric Grand Tourer coupe boasts jaw-dropping performance and a sleek design, a certain aftermarket specialist, Mansory, has taken the already luxurious Spectre to a whole new level with its RS Edition upgrade. The Rolls-Royce Spectre Black Badge is already a force to be reckoned with. Unlike previous Rolls-Royce models that boasted the famous 6.75-liter V12, the Spectre Black Badge is all-electric, packing 650 horsepower and an impressive 792 lb-ft of torque. Even without the legendary V12 engine, this car has become the most powerful Rolls-Royce in history, proving that electric power can match and even surpass traditional internal combustion engines. It features 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive, ensuring a seamless blend of power, efficiency, and handling. But for those who believe that even a Black Badge Spectre could use a bit more flair, Mansory has come to the rescue. Known for transforming already stunning luxury cars into one-of-a-kind masterpieces, Mansory's RS edition of the Rolls-Royce Spectre takes this already outstanding vehicle to another level entirely. This RS edition is a spectacle to behold, finished in a unique pearl white color that is contrasted brilliantly by forged carbon fiber elements. The addition of forged carbon fiber to the body gives the car an ultra-modern, high-tech appearance that contrasts with the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce. The combination of pearl white paint with forged carbon fiber accents brings a level of sophistication and edge that elevates the Spectre's design to new heights. It's as if the car itself is a moving piece of art, elegant yet aggressive, modern yet timeless. But Mansory doesn't stop there. The RS Edition also features an impressive array of customizations that make the car even more distinctive. For starters, the 24-inch gloss black Beluga Mansory wheels paired with high-performance tires give the Spectre a bold stance, further accentuating its futuristic appeal. The RS smoked lighting package adds a dramatic lighting effect that enhances the car's sleek silhouette, especially in low-light conditions. And with a 20mm lowered suspension, the RS Edition sits closer to the road, providing not only a sportier appearance, but also improved handling and performance. On the inside, the Mansory RS Edition continues the theme of luxury with an interior finished in Miami blue with a black contrast, creating a striking visual experience. As you step inside, the illuminated grille, LED stars in the ceiling, and custom door cards offer an immersive atmosphere. The exquisite trim in front of the passenger seat adds an extra touch of refinement, ensuring that every inch of this car exudes opulence. For protection and to maintain the pristine condition of the pearl white paint and the forged carbon fiber, Mansory has applied satin clear paint protection film across the entire vehicle. This protective layer ensures that the car's exterior remains flawless, even when driving through challenging environments. Additionally, a ceramic paint coating has been added to shield the body from the elements and preserve its glossy finish. With the Mansory RS edition of the Rolls-Royce Spectre, performance is not the only highlight. This vehicle combines luxury with cutting-edge design, taking the Spectre Black Badge to unprecedented levels of sophistication. The Mansory RS edition is a true masterpiece, designed for those who want the best of both worlds, luxury and performance, wrapped in a package that is nothing short of breathtaking. For those curious about pricing, Mansory has kept the details under wraps, as often is the case with high-end aftermarket customizations. But with the Spectre Black Badge already priced at a premium, it's safe to assume that the RS edition will come with an equally premium price tag.